Today we are back with another delicious recipe of fish, and that is fish masala, the ingredients for which are heat oil, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi dana, when it starts to crackle, add in half teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute it nicely for a minute or two. Now we are going to add 1 cup of onion paste, mix well and saute it till the color is changed and the oil is released. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Add a little black pepper powder and roast the spices. Our spices are roasted nicely. Now we will add 5 teaspoon of curd, stir it continuously and mix well. Now add quarter cup of soya, mix it nicely. Add salt to taste and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give it a quick mix. Spread the masala evenly on the bottom of the kadhai. Then we will place our fish pieces over the masala and cook them till the water is released from the fish. Now we will gently flip the fish pieces and cook them from the other side. We will not add water at this stage and cook the fish pieces in its own moisture till the oil separates. Oil has started to release at the edge of the kadhai. Now we will roast our fish pieces for 1 to 2 minutes. Our fish is roasted nicely. Now we are going to add hot boiling water, adjusting the consistency we need in our curry, and then bring it to a boil. and cook it till the oil separates. Add half teaspoon of kasuri methi, mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our fish masala is ready. For more such easy and delicious recipes, please like, share and subscribe the channel.